As part of measures to make quality healthcare affordable and accessible to the people of Udu, the Ovie of Udu Kingdom Okporua I on Tuesday donated essential drugs worth millions of naira to the management of the Federal Medical Center Ovwian. The RTV News correspondent Ogheneovo Orugbo reports that Okporua I, while presenting the drugs to the Chief Medical Director, disclosed that it was his desire to ensure that the vulnerable in the kingdom are not denied access to quality healthcare but get it at reduced rates. The report.
The Ovie of Udu Kingdom, Okporua I, and his entourage were warmly received by the Chief Medical Director of the Federal Medical Center Ogheneovo, Professor Kingsley Akaba, and all the management staff of the hospital. Represented by the Queen Mother of Udu Kingdom, the Ovie of Udu, while presenting the drugs shortly after a facility tour of the hospital, explained that the gesture was in fulfillment of an earlier promise he made when he visited the FMC a few months back. Okporua I, who maintained that he will continue to prioritize the health of his subjects, noted that he has always supported medical and healthcare centers across Udu through various donations to enable them perform optimally as well as being succor to the sick in the kingdom. The Udu traditional ruler, who told CMD to ensure that the drugs are not diverted to personal pharmacies and chemists but should be used passionately to save lives in the kingdom. Okporua I, who tasked the staff of FMC Ogheneovo to be more committed and dedicated to their job, equally commended the federal government for approving the health facility in Udu.
We urge the medical team to use this drug responsibly and solely for the benefit of the patient at a minimal cost to the patients. This project does provide a revolving platform for drugs availability.
The Chief Medical Director of the Federal Medical Center Ogheneovo, Professor Kingsley Akaba, hailed Okporua I for his genuine commitment to ensuring that the people of Udu and neighboring communities enjoy quality healthcare services, which he said has been demonstrated through the donation of the drugs to the medical center.
These drugs we're promising you, we're going to use them judiciously to ensure that those who are going to benefit from them will benefit from them appropriately. And no drug, I assure you, with strict vigilance and vigilance and surveillance, none of these drugs will be sold or stolen by any staff.
Professor Akaba, who assured that the drugs will be dispensed free to those who cannot afford drugs, revealed that the Federal Medical Center was established by the federal government to bring quality healthcare services closer to the people at the grassroots.